Hello everyone, I'm here again with the new topic of grammar that is on your screen, that is models. For learning models, we need to go in the previous chapter of verbs, right? So it is the part of the auxiliaries and how it is used, that all we will see in detail in this video. So let us begin with the previous one and previous information, right? So in previous chapter we saw that models are the part of the auxiliaries. There are two types of auxiliaries: primary auxiliaries and the model auxiliaries. And their uses also we saw that primary auxiliaries, they help the main verb in the sentences, right? And they show the existence and position in the sentence. While the model auxiliary, so they are the special verbs that express the different meaning, such as the permission, possibility, ability, necessity, certainty, obligation, these all. Now these all we will learn in detail, which are the models that are used for this particular expression. We are starting with the models first. These are on your screen: shall, will, can, may, must, ought to. Then shall, its past tense form or past form is should, then will, would, can, could, may, might, must, had to. And need to is written in front of ought to, but it is not the past form. It is one of the auxiliaries, right? So these are the auxiliaries. Let us learn more about the auxiliaries. That use of the models. For what do we use these models? So models we use for all these purposes. They are the permission, ability, suggestion, possibility, necessity, request, prohibition, wishes. So for all these things we use the models, right? Now one by one we will see for permission, for ability, which are the particular models we use. So here we are starting with the permission. For permission we use can, could and may, right? And they have the different aspects. So here could, when for permission we are using could, means it is very polite request, it is polite permission, right? When we ask the permission, we ask to the elder, so we ask very politely. For that we use could. Can is used for the informal permission, means to our siblings or to our friends or similar age people. When we are asking something, we can use can. That is for very informal kind of use. And for the formal use, means when we are asking any kind of permission to our teachers, our principal, to some official person, so for that we use may. Here we have some examples. May I take your pen? So when we are asking this thing, means we are asking to some unknown person, some officially related person to us, right? Then can I take your pen? So when we are asking this thing, means we are asking to our friend or sibling or brother or sister or any like that who is very familiar to us, right? Very informal relation they are in. And could I take your pen? When we are asking this thing, means we are asking to the person who is older than us or who is respectable for us. So these are the uses of the models for permission. Then we have the models for ability. So for ability means capacity. For that we use three models: can, could and be able to. Now be able to is be form of the, or it is the alternative of can and could, but they have the slight change in use. Here we can see that can is used for the capacity or ability in general, right? When we are saying about the general thing, and there we are capable for that. In, if it is in present, we use can. Could is the past form of can, means it is also used for the capacity and ability showing in general. And able to or be able to is used for the particular situation. When we are capable, when we are able to do certain thing or any particular thing, we use be able to. Okay, Let us start with some exercises here. Exercise A, B, C, D and E we will see here. In this video we are discussing these two types of the or two kind of expressions of the models. One we have seen the permission and other ability, right? Let us see the exercise based on it. Exercise A, write about 5 sentences on what you can and 5 sentences that you cannot do. This exercise we will see in next slide. Before that, let us solve the exercise B. Fill in the gaps using can or be able to, where we can use be able to, where we can use can. So here they have not. Now see here, have is already given there, one auxiliary is there, so we can use been able to. Here look, be V3 form is been, because with have V3 form comes, right? So been able to will come there. Been able to solve the mystery of the missing airplane. Second is, though I am not that fit as I used to be, still I dash do this exercise without much efforts. Here it is your strength, you are showing the strength, so can will come there. If you repeatedly fail to follow the traffic rules, I will not dash help you. In this particular situation, a person is not able to help. So here be able to comes, because will is given, so with will V1 form comes, that is be. Then he dash attend the wedding if he is in town, right? He is in a town, so that is a particular situation, so will be able to, it is about the future. Then though they have a busy schedule, the Kapoors might dash meet Sweta at the airport. Here with might, be able to will come, because two auxiliaries cannot come together, or two models cannot come together, right? One after other. Then next is, do you think what the media is saying about him dash be true, can be true, okay? Then mayor of the city dash attend our annual function as the chief guest. So will be able to, for that particular function it is informed. Then despite his illness, Alok dash appear for the board exam, right? Despite his illness, he has the illness for the particular time, so will be able to will come. Next we will see the exercise A. We are told for the 5 sentences, we are seeing only 3 sentences of each one, means which we can do and 3 of which we cannot do. Any sentence you can write. I have chosen this one, that I can run very fast, I can play flute, I can speak in English fluently. Then cannot, so I cannot read and write French, I cannot drive a car, I cannot climb the mountain, right? So these are the can and cannot used sentences. Exercise C, fill in the blanks using could or was able to. This is for the past tense form. Though there was mad rush, I dash get a ticket for the match, was able to, right? For the match only it is given. I dash play the piano, though he never learnt it. Though he never learned, so he could, right? That is the ability, skill is developed there. Tarun dash reach home on time despite the traffic jam, was able to, particular that traffic jam is given. Then Neha dash drop her cousins to their school on her way to college, could, right? Her ability, in general it is given. Then we dash visit the museum this weekend, we could visit, okay? Then exercise D, fill in the blanks using could, couldn't, be not able to. Not always comes after the auxiliaries, that we have to remember. First one, Rani was dash reached the examination hall on time, so was not able to, because was B form is already given. We dash buy the movie tickets online, could. Next, she was so fit and healthy that even at her age she dash walk. miles without getting tired. It is the strength could will come. They dash do such calculations without a calculator. Here negative thing is given, so cannot do the calculation without calculator. Then could not, sorry. We dash finish the work assignment to us on time. We could finish the work assigned to us on time. Could, ability, strength we have. My brother was snoring so loudly that I dash sleep at all. So just because it is the habit of snoring, right? Taking the breath and while sleeping and while breathing when the voice comes, that is called the snoring. So that is the ability. Exercise E, fill in the gaps with can, cannot, could or couldn't, and suitable verbs from the help box. Here help box is given, certain words are given. Those words we have to use with can, cannot or could, could not. First one, we dash them at the park. We couldn't find them at the park. You can use whichever suitable you feel, right? What I felt is suitable, I have used here. Then you dash books from this library and we will deliver them at your place. You could order. Okay. Then though they dash a luxurious life, they were happy. Past is given, so couldn't afford luxurious life. They are happy. Though they don't have that, but they are happy. You dash any book that you want. You can pick. You can take. You dash the library without a library card. You can't enter. Right? That is the instruction. Then she is too young. She dash, but she can draw. So she can't write, but she can draw. So one is disability, other side one ability is given. So these are all the exercises based on the permission and ability. Other topics we'll see in our next videos, and related exercises also we will solve. Accordingly, you have to write these exercises in your regular English notebook. Don't forget that. Okay, I know you are very sincere to do this work, but then also I'm reminding you. Okay, be healthy and remain happy. Goodbye.